Hello children, how are you? Today in this video we will learn domestic animals' name and their sound. So let's start. This is a horse. 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 This is a cat. 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 This is a dog. 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 This is a rabbit. 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 This is a squirrel. 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 This is a buffalo. 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 This is a sheep. 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 This is a goat. 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 This is a camel. 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 This is a pig. 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 This is a hen. 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 Please like, share, subscribe our channel. Hit the bell icon to get the notification. Bye bye.